Ever wondered how to take a simple idea and captivate your audience by creating content that they can't resist? Well, I'm going to show you today. Start by reviewing your audience insights. Whether it's weight loss, mobility, or fitness tips, choose a relevant topic that resonates with your clients. Dive into that topic and break it down into subtopics. For instance, if the main theme is weight loss, the subtopics could include nutrition, exercise, motivation, and challenges. Assign each subtopic to a specific day of the week. So as we said with weight loss, plan your content in advance. So if 1 week is going to be weight loss, give yourself a roadmap for what to post and when. For example, day 1 could focus on nutrition tips. Day 2 could be effective exercises. Day 3 could be to inspire with motivational stories. Each day is different facet of your chosen topic. Add variety to your content. Post images, videos to engage and excite your audience. And remember, your audience will come to anticipate and appreciate your content. Use Facebook Lives to keep connected to your audience and stick to your valuable information. So take your ideas, structure them, turn them into a content plan, and watch how your captivating content transforms your online presence.